G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here today at a great home, number 1 Burnett Court in the popular and centrally located suburb of Eli Waters. There's a bit to have a look at. Let's go and take a look around. You'll enjoy the lifestyle that comes with being only minutes away from Hervey Bay's key amenities, including shopping centres, schools, TAFE, university, hospitals, golf courses, cafes, restaurants, esplanade and the beach. Showcasing a light and spacious single-level design, this sound brick and tile home was built around 1991 and has been held as a solid investment property since. The open plan living and dining area does form the heart of this home and includes a ceiling fan and reverse cycle split system air conditioning. The kitchen includes ample bench and storage space plus a pantry. Appliances include an electric hot plate with range hood and an oven. The covered outdoor entertaining area overlooks the private backyard. This is where you'll enjoy Hervey Bay's year-round subtropical temperate climate, the perfect space for entertaining with family and friends all year round. This home does include 3 bedrooms, all with built-in wardrobes. The spacious main bedroom includes a ceiling fan, built-in wardrobe and an ensuite with shower, vanity and toilet. The bathroom includes a shower, bath and vanity, plus you've got a separate toilet. The laundry offers direct access outside to the clothesline. This property also offers clear side access and a concrete parking pad, which will be ideal for those needing to accommodate a large RV, caravan or boat. Homes offering these features in this price point are now rare and always in high demand. So don't miss this opportunity. Call me now. Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.